So today we're going to try the plastic lifter. This is a new thing that we purchased at the beginning of the season. To work. Okay, here we go. There's that big lump in the front there. So this is all new, and it'll be trial and error to see if things work.
Probably good.
You can kind of see some plastic there. There's lots of weeds growing around it. This got planted, I don't know, 2 years ago maybe 3. We had some strawberries in it and we haven't done anything with it. Okay, I don't know what's going on. We got stuck there a little while and okay, now he's the ground is pretty wet and I think he's just getting stuck in it.
Well, this was our very first trip down this, and I got a little, I think I might have been going a little bit too deep. We're gonna find out. I dropped it down. I take it back. I raised the machine up, so I'm only gonna go down 4 inches this time, but I think it did a nice job, as you can see there. So we're going to give this another shot, and like I said, do I need to do any more adjustments? I'm still out to lunch on that, but it did do a very nice job. This plastic's been in there 2 years. You need to understand that. It is not like, so it's going to rip up a little bit more than normal, but we're going to give it a shot and see how we do.